us from an undisclosed location. Mary, I hear there's some snow in the forecast for Thursday.
Yes. Yes, just a little bit more snow in the forecast on Thursday. You really sold that camera, Rob. Can't even say it's just majestic. You're right. Beautiful shot of all of southern Colorado today. Blue skies. It's still a little chilly out there. So if you take a look at the wind chill readings here, we're into the 30s and 40s. So it's just slightly cooler. Actually, what it feels like outside is slightly cooler than those air surface temperatures due to those brisk northwest winds we have ongoing across most of the Pikes Peak region. We picked up a decent amount of snow for parts of our local mountain cities yesterday and even Easter Sunday. You noticed about 2 inches showing up there, just estimated totals across parts of the Pikes Peak region. A lot of this has continued to melt today with some of that added sunshine, but overnight tonight, we're going to be back below freezing for most locations, teens and 20s across the Arkansas River Valley, parts of the Pikes Peak region. Tomorrow, more sunshine, slightly warmer. Look at this garden variety of temperatures. We've got the 60s across the Highway 50 area, 50s in Pueblo, 40s in the areas into Colorado Springs, and upper 30s to low 40s for parts of Woodland Park and locations there into Teller County. So it is going to be another brisk day on Wednesday, but it will be warmer Wednesday than what we felt out there today with plenty of sunshine in the forecast. Notice across parts of Fremont County areas into Pueblo, temperatures trending in the low 50s, and this is actually a little closer to seasonal for this time of year. So tomorrow is going to be one of those pleasant and comfortable days across most of southern Colorado. Get out, enjoy it, soak up the sunshine. It is back under the cloud cover as we move through Thursday with this next incoming system. You'll notice that dip in the jet stream. That's allowing all that cold air to dip in across the lower 48. But notice this location here where you have this stronger little appendage in the upper level system across the parts of the local mountains, across parts of the Wasatch and areas back into Colorado. This is going to bring us enough energy and enough moisture to bring about that chance for snow showers again on Thursday. Let me kind of show you how this plays out for us. You'll notice Wednesday mostly dry, but we start to see some of that moisture scooting in across the high country with freezing levels initially staying pretty high for the central mountains. Then as we move into the overnight hours, the cold air continues to settle in. We'll see a lot of this changing over to a few snow showers for Wednesday evening, but most of the bulk of moisture and energy really doesn't arrive until Thursday mid-morning and into the afternoon hours. Here we are at 1 o'clock, and notice some of that moisture really prevalent here across parts of the Sangre de Cristos, areas into the Raton Pass, across the eastern plains. Looks like they could pick up a decent amount of snow, a good 2 to 4 inches in some locations, with fairly wet snow initially, and then continuing to cool for more of that lighter, fluffier snow. This is a look at some of the snowfall estimations here. Again, we're still a good 36 to 48 hours out, so know that we still have variables that need to be fine-tuned in the forecast, but I think the takeaway here is that more heavier snow amounts will be likely across parts of extreme southern Colorado. You'll have to excuse me. I got my little man jumping around right here and a glitch on the graphics there, so bear with me. Let me show you this one more time. Notice the heavier totals across parts of Trinidad and areas into Walsenburg. The general takeaway here is going to be that the heavier snow showers will be across those local mountain cities, a good 4 to 5 inches in some locations, but lower elevation areas, a little bit of that lighter amount, and most of this doesn't arrive until Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. Temperatures will be still back below average, so it's going to be kind of a whiplash in temperatures over the next few days, with 40s in the forecast for Woodland Park on Wednesday, and then back into the 20s as we roll through Thursday. So Pueblo, 50s on Wednesday, plenty of sunshine. Enjoy that. We will struggle to make it out of the 30s for highs on Thursday with that chance of snow showers becoming more widespread into those afternoon hours for most of these locations. So any essential items you have to get out and get, would recommend doing that from now until Wednesday evening, as Thursday is going to get pretty cold, pretty blustery, and just downright messy. We've got a beautiful weekend ahead for most locations, though. We'll talk about that coming up in just a few